Little bite first. Did you try it? What do you think? I think he likes the spoon better than the food. You gotta let go to get some more. Swallow it. Lukey. Oh, Lukey. Ready? Open up. Do you like it? Do you want some more? There's no way he's gonna eat all of this. Ready? Open up. You think he's swallowing it, or do you think he's just spitting it all back out again?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
I think he's swallowing some of it.
He seems into it.
Ready? Here comes a little bit more. Here comes the airplane. Mmm. Maybe like it. Maybe we should try it with something else.
Like what?
I don't know. Bananas or something. I thought this would be really easy on his stomach because it's just rice.
It will be.